Hello and welcome to another tutorial. So in this video we are going to talk about the pipe, how to model the pipe. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about, this pipe. Okay, so we are going to model this pipe. It's not that difficult to, but you only need to use the dimensions. If the dimensions are wrong, the pipe wouldn't work, the sweep wouldn't work. Okay, so let's start. First, with the pipe, you start from the top plane, sketch, and then you make. Sorry, I think I have to start a new plane. I was doing something here, so let me start a new part. Okay, so good. Top plane, then to sketch. Now I have my origin at the center. To sketch, you are going to make circles, two circles. There's an inner circle, and then there's an outer circle. Let's dimension them. The outer circle you can see from here is 1, and then the inner is what? 0.75. 1 and then 1 and then 0.75. So small dimension, outer 1, inner 0.75. Good. We are done with the circle. Click here. Good. So now we are supposed to make this pipe. So this shape of the pipe, the shape is more like something that moves up, crosses to the left, and then upward. Let's use we are using the right plane. So click on the right plane, sketch, and you'll get something like this. So your drawing is supposed to start from the origin. Make sure it's starting from the origin. So click on the line tool, and let's make this shape. It's like this, this, and then this, right? That's the shape. So this is the shape of the tube. This is the shape of the tube. Without the fillet, that is the shape of the tube. So now let's apply the dimensions. So with the dimensions, you have to apply the length first before applying the fillet, because if you just apply the fillet, it wouldn't work. So start with the length. Here's 6, here's 6, and then here's 4. Okay, so this side is 4, this side is 6. Good. And then this side is 6. We are working in IPS. You already know how to check if your units are in IPS. So now we are done with that. Let's left with our fillets. So now our fillets are at the radius of the fillet is 1.50. Make sure you select that from sketch, fillet, select this corner, select this corner. They are both 1.5. 1.5. Good. Now you have this. Click to end sketch. So now you have this, and this is the tube. Now we have to apply the feature, and the feature is called, you go to features, the feature is called swept boss. You can even see the shape and you know that this is a pipe. So click on it. The sketch is already selected. If the sketch hasn't been selected, let's say I click on, I've already told you that you should always select the sketch. Okay, so the sketch is sketch 2 and not this. I mean the sketch that we made, this, the path. So that's the sketch 2. Select it, go to swept boss, and then this is the circular path. You can even see that they have indicated there that's the circular one, but you're not selecting the outside boss, you are selecting the inside. So you select the inside circle, and then you can see the preview. If you don't get a preview, that means there's a mistake there, maybe with your fillets, because mostly that's how it is. If the dimensions are wrong, it wouldn't work. Okay, good. So you have your pipe, and this is a very nice pipe. And sorry for the previous videos. I didn't realize that my mouse pointer wasn't showing, so I had to make some adjustment and then some changes. So I think now the pointer is showing, and then you can even see if I click, right? Good. So this is the pipe. We have a nice pipe. Now we need to make this circular thing. So let's say we want this to be our bottom part. So you select this face, and then you sketch. So this is the phase that we want to make this body on. So you select the face, you make it normal, Click on sketch. Okay. Click on circle. Start from the origin, drag it out. Good. We have this. Now we can dimension it. The dimension. Okay, we are giving the dimension. It's 2.5. Okay, here. You can see it. 2.5. So small dimension. Type in 2.5. Good. Now click on features. We want to extrude. Now extrude it downwards. Sorry. The direction is downwards, right? Good. Extrude it downwards. I didn't select that. Uh, Click on blind and then extrude it downwards. So we are extruding by let's check here. This is a cut. This so the extrusion is 0.2. This is the extrusion. This is for the fillet and this is for chamfer. So the extrusion is 0.2. You need to know what every detail that I've been given represents. So 0.2. So you have your extrusion. You're already getting there. So you have your extrusion. Good, 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 good. So now we have to apply a fillet here and then a chamfer on the other side. So the fillet is 0.1 and the chamfer is 0.05. So here is the fillet. You apply a fillet here. So you click on that edge, go to features, fillet, and it's 0.1. It's already 0.1. So okay. Now click on the drop down menu, click on chamfer, click on this edge, and then it's what? Type in here 0.05, and that's the chamfer. So you are done with the chamfer, you are done with the fillet. You are only left with the holes, right? These are countersink holes. You are only left with the holes to make the screw holes, and they are, I think, just 6. Okay, 6, and the dimensions have been given, the diameter and everything. So we are left with this, just the holes. Okay, so now we are supposed to make some holes here. So this is the face. So put it in this position. Go to features. Click on hole wizard. Now I think we're giving some dimensions. So the extrusion level is 0.19. The angle is 82, and then the diameter is 36. So the whole type wasn't given. Mostly he gives the whole type, but I think, yeah, uh this is a whole. So we click on the whole type. We click on this third one, and then move down, drag down. Here you can type in your 0.36 as diameter. The 82 is already the angle. Then here, do not select true or select blind, and then type in 0.16. I've already typed in 0.16. That's the extrusion length. It's not up, or it's not true, or it's just blind. So we select, if you select true or, it will cut true or. So you select blind, and then you type in 0.16. You have your 0.36 as diameter and then 82 as the angle. Now go to positions, and then select this face. Then you can now position your holes. So let me put it here. Good. One. Good. So I have my hole. I have my hole. This is one hole. I have it already. So let's see. I think, okay, this is a hole, but I think it was a different screw. We will check later and see if the screw was different. I think, yeah. So let's say if this is the hole, click on the diameter hole. We want to perform a circular pattern. So click on features to circular pattern. Direction, select any circular path, and then how many are they? They are six. So you click on type here, is three already, so type in six, and then you have it in there. So that's it, and you are done. So the whole type is supposed to be given. And I don't know the whole type, that's why I use this. So you'll be given the whole type, and then you make the whole. Okay, I think it's a countersink, but later we will check. Okay, good.